Hey guys, we received these four Candies metal mechanical pencil set for test and try. This is a three pieces art drafting pencils with the different sizes of the lead like zero point 0.5, zero point 0.7, zero point 0.9 and the two pieces of 2 mm mechanical drawing pencils with the 420 pieces leads. So it have a 4B, 2B, HP, 2H color or for writing, sketching or any other use. So you can see like the mechanical pencil, this is a metal mechanical pencil, so really a nice high quality one. And these have the four models that I will show you. So this is a total 420 pieces of lead refills, and these are the lead refills as you can see. So they are marking of how much the size of that, and you can see the lead here. So this lead you can just put in into the pencil. So for that you have to just remove the thing, or this is also the additional the rubber refills, but here you have to just remove this one and then just take out the previous lead and replace with the new lead. Now the thing is for this rubber thing you have to put it, and the rubber refills are also provided, and you can just use this pencil to work. So the grip is really nice as you can see, and is a metal, so durable with the anti-skidding grip and the effortless pressing. So you can see all the different sizes here, all the different types. Everything is printed like how much is the size. So mostly they comes with the erasers with the iron clasps. So this is a nice thing. And this one is the colorful leads for the 2 size. So from the back, you can also change this one. So let me just take this out and show you the color leads as well. So just put in the lead. You have to just take this and put it in the back, as I mentioned earlier, and just lock it down. You can also put the eraser, but I just trying to show you quickly, and you can see the colors. So this is pretty nice for use can for the sketching, drawing, writing, and also like the different shape and the sizes. So all different leads and the sizes here, the mechanical things as well, or the pencils with the refillable rubbers one. So this also comes with two eraser and one kneaded eraser. So this is a kneaded eraser that you can use, and with the sharpeners. So these are the lead sharpener. So you see a very small opening, so you can put in the lead and just rotate it. So just say for example, I will take this lead, and if I want to make it a pointed lead, I can use this sharpener just to sharpen this lead. So basically a nice design, nice accessories and a complete set for drawing or writing, and comes with the leads or the mechanical pencil set, rubber refills, rubber erasers, kneaded eraser, or any sharpeners and stuff. So you can see the rubbers also is a nice quality one. So it's a very nice set for drawing and sketching, and comes with all the accessories in a nice box.